Hi and welcome to this section. In this section, we'll be understanding more on type of merges. So, in our previous section, we have seen the type of fast forward merge, but we'll be understanding what that is, what that exactly is. So, I'm currently into my demo project 1 repository, where I'm inside my demo project 1 in the terminal as well. I'll just simply go to file B. No. Before that, I'll just create a new branch just to showcase this use case. I'll create a new branch git checkout by using the command git checkout -b feature 3, let's assume. Done. Feature 3 is done. I'm currently inside my feature 3 branch. Now inside feature 3, I'll go to file B and modify the file B and say it as modified file B. Save it. I'll come back to my terminal. I'll say git add and git commit. M modified file B. Done. Now file B is modified inside my feature 3 branch. Now go back to I'll go back to my main branch, git checkout main. I'll execute git branch again just to show you guys. I'm inside my main branch, right? Now from main branch, I'll just simply merge my feature 3 branch. Git merge feature 3. If you see here, went ahead and did fast forward merge. In this type of merge, what usually get identified is we have just modified the file B in our feature 3 branch, but we didn't made any changes to my main branch. That's why it is a simple fast forward merge. So if I execute git log -graph, you could see it has created one more branch and just simply pointed our latest commit to the our head is committed, latest commit is pointing to main branch now. Simply it went ahead and modified the changes in feature 3 branch, and then after merge the head is simply pointing to main now. That's it. That's the simple concept of fast forward merge. But let's assume like we have modified the changes in both the branch. Let's execute that. Let me come out of this terminal. Let me go back here. Let me go back to my git checkout feature 3 branch now. Feature 3, right? I'll execute git branch again. I'm inside my feature 3 branch. Here, I'll also modify file B again. Modified file B again. Save it. Come back to terminal. Add these changes. And commit the changes again in our feature 3. Modified file B again. Enter. Done. Now we have modified the file B in our feature 3 branch. I'll git checkout to main branch now. Done. In main branch, I'll again come back and modify file A. I'll add here modified file A in main branch. Save it, come back to my terminal and add the changes to a staging environment, staging area. Now commit these changes. Modified file B, file A, I'll make it as. Enter. Now file A has been modified. Now I'll execute git branch just to showcase before merging. Git branch. I'm inside my main branch. So now that I have modified both the files in both the features, main and feature 3. I'll try merging it with feature 3 branch now. Git merge. Feature 3. So here if you see, Git identified the changes made in both the branches and went ahead and created ORT strategy. It made the merge by ORT strategy. It does mean that we have made the changes both in our main branch as well as in feature branch, and we are trying to merge the both these branches together, right? So it has went ahead and did ORT strategy. I'll also show by executing git log here. Hyphen graph. See here. This is something which we have merged using ORT strategy. Now let's move ahead to squash merge. In squash merge, it is a different case. I'll move back to my feature branch. Git checkout. Feature 3. Enter. Now in feature 3, I'll just add one more file. Adding file C. Enter. I'll come back to this and modify this. Added file C. And I'll add a commit message for this. Git add. And then git commit. Added file C. Enter. See, one commit has been done. Now here in file C, I'll again add one more commit. I'll just modify file C again. Come back to C. Modified file C. I'll save this file and now come back to Git terminal and add one more commit message for this. File C. If I execute git log here, I have added file C and I have modified file C. We have two commit messages in our feature 3 branch, right? This was the recent 2 committed which we did in feature 3 branch. Now let's suppose I don't want to take all these commit messages while merging into the main branch. In that case, we use squash merge. I'll just come out of this terminal and I'll git checkout to my main branch. Enter. Now I'm inside my main branch. Here, I want to do a squash merge to feature branch. I'll say git merge hyphen squash and my branch name, which is feature 3. Enter. See, it says automatic merge went well, right? Now I'll go ahead and execute git logs here. Git log hyphen graph. Here, if you see, it has only one commit messages. It does not include all the commit messages like how it included previously. For single commit, for single merge, it only includes a single commit. It does not include all the commit messages which we added in our feature 3 branch, which was add file C as well as add file modified file C. That commit message we are not getting it here. This is an example of a squash merge. Squash merge is nothing but it reduces the number of commit messages in our feature branch while merging it to the main branch. That's the only concept behind squash merge. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you for being with us.